Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this quick little 10-minute makeup routine. I wanted to kind of do this for those people who maybe you wear light makeup, or maybe you are rushing, or maybe you're going to work and you want to put a little bit of makeup but you don't want to put too much. I generally don't wear makeup to work just because I work an overnight shift, but for those people who just need something quick, we're gonna do it. If you would like to see how I just got this quick little look, then just keep watching. So we are gonna start off with the brows because we need the brows. I feel like without the brows it's just not okay, it's not together. So but we need to hurry because the brows take the longest time also, I feel like. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia dip brow, and this is in the shade Ebony. I'm gonna hurry up and just brush through here, and then I'm just gonna dip in and go because we only have 10 minutes. This doesn't have to be perfect, but just fill it in. Just get it done. Boom, on to the next. On to the next brow. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to go in and shape it up anyways. But I'm just going in and filling these in. Now I'm going to take my concealer. This is my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going to take them and I'm going to shape them up. Do this very, very quickly. And already I feel like I've spent too much time on the brows, so I need to speed it up. I don't know why the brows take a century to do. They just do. Okay, now I'm just going to take my spoolie and just quickly go in and brush it out like I normally do. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and this is just going to take some oil. It's basically gonna mattify my lids because my lids get really oily throughout the day if I don't have like a shadow on them. So very quickly just applying this. So now I'm gonna take my NYX mascara and I'm just gonna quickly run over my top lashes. It really doesn't have to be perfect because yes, I am gonna put my lashes on. I need my lashes, I need them. They help out a lot, so yes, we are going to fit the lashes in. I'm gonna be taking my Lilly lashes. These are the premium synthetic lashes in the style Chicago. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on these. While those are getting tacky, I'm just going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is in the shade Classic Tan. I'm just going to take it on my brush and blend this out. We're not going to use any primer. We really don't have time, so we're just going to work this in. Get under the neck area. Okay, lashes are ready. Let's get these bad boys on. Secure. I am gonna apply just a little bit of highlighter under my eye. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, the shade Golden, and I'm just gonna apply just a little bit because I don't want to spend all day blending, and I'm gonna use my finger. And just getting that underneath the eye and just patting that in. Just gonna take my Colourpop So Juicy lip gloss, and I did a review on this. This one is in the shade Princess Cut, just the clear one. So I'm just gonna apply that to finish off. To make my face look a little bit more matte, I'm just going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and just lightly dab in here and just kind of dab on my face because my skin is very, very oily, and this is just gonna set it. And we're done. That is literally it, you guys. Just a quick little something for when you feel like you want to do something but you don't have time, or you're too sleepy, or you have to go to work, or you're rushing. Just here it is. Just something quick, a quick little beat down, sort of kind of effortless, if you will. So yeah. So as always, I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love some love. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's if you want to see more of me. I'm here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.